how to start or stop secure Wi-Fi protection on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we then scroll down and in here, tap on more security settings. Next, tap on secure Wi-Fi. Then here, you can tap on the protect button to start secure Wi-Fi. If you want to turn off the secure Wi-Fi protection, then tap on the stop button. And that is how you can turn on or turn off the secure Wi-Fi on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Now, if you tap on the more button at the top and then tap on settings, in here you can customize protected apps with secure Wi-Fi, so you can choose which app can use secure Wi-Fi. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.